Good afternoon, family. Bro, it's funny how SPY moves exactly as predicted. Interesting. GameStop 2? Oh yeah, GameStop 2. Let's see if this gap got filled. Looks like they filled the gap. They'll be here, don't worry. I just turned the stream on, they'll be here. Sometimes YouTube's weird and it takes a second to get started. We'll have 100 people here in a few minutes, don't worry. So I'm thinking we look fine. SPY's doing exactly what I thought it would. The slight push to the upside before pulling back. That's going to happen on Wednesday. GameStop pulled back and filled the gap exactly like I said it would. And AMC, I told you guys, basically flat to down day for today. Like flat or slight down day, which is what I said. That's what we're seeing right now. And then tomorrow we should see progress during after hours and then into Wednesday. Once Wednesday SPY starts to pull back, that's when we should see action. Wednesday, Thursday. So, and remember, GME earnings is going to be here on Tuesday after hours. Bitcoin is blasting off. Bitcoin is blasting off as expected. Check out your Bitcoin portfolios, man. You're up. Life is good. Life is good. Nothing's going to stop me, baby. Life is so good. Never give in and never give the fuck up for real. And fuck anyone who makes excuses. The only excuse I want to hear is how not to make money. This is so bullish. GameStop is setting up for a blast off tomorrow. A huge blast off. Only I see it though. The rest of these people say they see it, but they don't fucking see it, bro. They don't know what's going on. They don't know what's going on. The rest of these YouTubers say they know what's going on. They don't know what's going on. But I'm telling you guys, tomorrow into Wednesday is going to be very, very fun. Until you see a YouTuber do this, do not trust them. Okay? If they can do this every single day like I do, then you can trust them. But unless they can do white dotted line predictions and tell you what price is going to be as accurately as I do, don't trust these motherfuckers. The sun, keep me out of the sun. You keep me out of your thoughts. Guys, there's a new play in the Discord. You better check it out now. The new play in the Discord. It's about the print. I'm telling you, this could be one of my biggest printers. One of my biggest printers could be coming up in the Discord. GME's about to moon. GME stock earnings tomorrow, and you're not ready. GME earnings tomorrow, you're not ready, it's coming. You're not ready. SPY pushing to the upside as expected. I told you guys the SPY breaks 600. You're going to see a nice pop to the upside. SPY just broke 600. Nice pop to the upside as expected. GME earnings tomorrow, and you're not ready. You're not ready. It's coming, family. We are about to see madness tomorrow. Listen, you guys are not ready, bro. You're not even ready, bro. I don't think half the people know what's coming, bro. I don't think half these YouTubers or half of anybody understand really what is the brink of happening here. We're literally on the brink of greatness. And in fact, all of my analysis tells me tomorrow is going to be a very good day. All right, GME starting to push up as well. GME starting to push up as well. SPY slight pullback. SPY's running out of momentum. So we're going to have one more pop to the upside, blow off top to pull back. That's going to be on SPYzers. And then GameStop tomorrow after earnings should be seeing some upside based off my analysis. Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? Why do we only have 24 likes, bro? You guys want me to get offline? I'm going to get offline unless we get more likes instantly. I am getting offline unless we get more likes right now, bro. That's a bit. I've never seen anything so abysmal from the DataZero family in my life. I have never seen anything so abysmal from the DZ family in all of my years, all of my days. I have not seen such inappropriate behavior from the DataZero family. So I'm going to need everyone to press that like button right now and fix this monstrosity. Danny Lamb says, let me know when SPY is ready to be shorted. I will do. We got to start losing these levels, man. This shit should have fell off 2 weeks ago, but they're pushing it. They're desperate for liquidity.
Let me know
right
when
now.
SPY is ready to be shorted.
We need a blow off top at this point. You got to have a blow off top. I noticed this bull flag yesterday, so that's why I said we're going to see one more push to the upside before pulling back. And looks like I was right. Looks like I was right. NASDAQ still unsustainable. RSI getting close to overbought. Not yet there, though. Getting close. Multiple gap fills to the downside. Unsustainable. Unsustainable behavior. I love how my lines always get moved on Webull, bro. I love that. That just makes me so happy. I love that feature. How Webull just moves the lines. I love that feature. I absolutely love it. You guys can't tell I'm being sarcastic. And I told you guys we would have 100 people instantly. I told you guys I'd have 100 people instantly, and we have 100 now. God has blessed us. The DataZero family has blessed us with instantly 100. I call it insta-hundo. AMC slipping underneath this trend line a little bit. That's a little bit concerning, but as long as GameStop pushes up, we'll be fine. GameStop's right on track, so we're good. Higher, low. This is bullish as fuck. Bullish, baby. Bullish, 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 bullish. You're not ready. You're not ready. You're not ready. You're not ready for what's coming, and that's it. Bitcoin up 2%, bro. That's dope. Okay, so Bitcoin is looking really good. We got our boss on the day. Yes, I put my ad on. I actually ran 2 ads already. AMC might start recovering a little bit here in the close. It's looking like it's building a little bit of bullish momentum. GameStop and AMC might start recovering in the close. SPY has to break 694 to be bullish. I'm so glad Bitcoin is up. We're about to break 1.8, dude. This is crazy. Now the fractal says we make a lower high though, so I do wanna point that out. And if we do make a lower high, then we know the fractal is tracking. But it's literally tracking to a T. So we had this first top here. Then we come down. We hit this bottom here. Then we push back up. Then it says we make a lower high right here. So we should make a lower high or come up roughly to about the same. So like 109, 110. And then from there, we should pull back all the way down to like 90 to 95K. Getting a nasty bounce, taking us to like 125, 115. And then that's when the top of the market will be, that 125, 115, around that range. And this is when altcoin season will come. We haven't had altcoin season in years. I want to, yeah. Nothing's been. It hasn't been a true altcoin season. We haven't had an altcoin season since like 2021, late 2021, maybe early 2022, very early 2022. By then, Bitcoin was kind of on its decline. We had an altcoin season here and here, so Bitcoin's looking really good to head towards that 109, 110 price target, though. We should come up for like, 109, 110, around that range. Make a lower high and then drop all the way down and then make a big boost up. So like scare people. Because as soon as it goes under 100K, people are going to get scared. They're used to seeing Bitcoin at 100K now. It's a very comfortable level too, especially for people that bought underneath 100K. Very comfortable level to stay at. SPY has to break above this 694 to go bullish. If not, it's not going to be able to go any higher. 694, major resistance here. Looks like GameStop and AMC are trying to build some bullish momentum here in the close. And this is exactly what I expected the day before earnings on GameStop. And then tomorrow will probably be a little bit flat. Maybe like a slight uptrend. And then we'll head into earnings. You'll see a drop down and then a pop. If she's 91 and she bought it when she's at 9,000, she better sell that, John. If she's 91, she's like 100 now. If she was 91 then. She better sell that, John, or pass it down to you. I'm passing all my stuff to my kids. to my kid. I only have one kid. I might want to have one more kid though. Hopefully a son. My luck though, I'll get a daughter. I don't think I'll be a good dad for a daughter. I don't know. I guess that's just not giving myself enough credit. I know I can raise a man, but I don't know if I can raise a woman. I would need help. I don't know the first thing about being a girl. I would definitely need help raising a daughter. Yeah, inflation's gonna come out bad, and everybody knows it. The G7, the IMF, the G7, all that is just more globalist bullshit. The United, no offense, but the United Nations and United Kingdom, this is globalist bullshit. Every country should have its own individual OPEC. So OPEC, the G7, what else? Let me see. So G7, El Salvador for the win because they have Bitcoin. The IMF, the G7, the G20. OPEC. Zimbabwe just for no reason. United Kingdom. Anything that tries to combine a bunch of countries together. Go. So the G7, the G20, OPEC. Inflation says it's coming out bad, cuz. And it still says that. 2.5 for inflation year over year. That means it's going up. Inflation rate month over month is looking like it's going to stay the same. Consensus and forecast saying core inflation rate year over year is going up. And core inflation rate month over month going up. This is going to be devastating for the market. Absolutely devastating for the market. If we see, if the numbers come out as forecasted in consensus and they don't cook the books, this is going to tank the market. Of course, that's why Bitcoin's going up, because higher inflation means higher prices for Bitcoin because the dollar is going to keep getting inflated away. Bitcoin is up now 2.5% on the day, baby. Let's go. Bitcoin. Yo, I want to see all my Bitcoin holders. Who owns actual Bitcoin? Nothing. You can own altcoins, but I need to see everyone who holds the real truth. Bitcoin. NCNA? I have not seen it. It looks like the Apple WWDC 2025 event's happening tomorrow. So that's going to be happening tomorrow. That's going to be tomorrow, right? iOS 26. iOS 26 is going to make your battery life die even faster. $1 p.m. It doesn't tell you what day. June 9th. So what is that today? We got 11 likes on this bad boy. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And 4 retweets. Let's see the comments to see if they're spam or we got good stuff. Why do y'all think we need Roaring Kitty, bro? We don't. We don't need Roaring Kitty. All right, Bitcoin climbing higher, Bitcoin climbing higher, and AMC recovering. AMC was down 2%, 2% plus. So we might start recovering in the close as expected for both of the memes. GME moving exactly as expected here, right before earnings. This is exactly what we want to see. Why are people so proud of being overweight? I don't understand that. Anubis Gaming! Anubis Gaming with the gifted! That's exactly what we needed. We need more Anubis Gamings right now. We need more Anubis Gamings. Memberships are down. Memberships are down. We need help. I gave away a membership yesterday. I'll give away more. Let's make a goal and I'll do a 5 gifted giveaway. So if we can get $5 super chats or higher, I'll do a 5 gifted giveaway. There. AMC curling up. AMC curling up as expected. SPY has to break above 695 to be bullish. It must break and hold 695. Major resistance here at 695. GameStop tracking. So here we have this goal. 5 gifted, $5 super chats, and I'll do 5 gifted giveaway. And we'll see if we can get it or not. If not, no big deal. If so, then we'll do 5 gifted. We got 153 people in the building. We should be able to make it, but we'll see. Yo, Bitcoin is really starting to move. Dollar being under 100. This is very bullish for Bitcoin. Dollar pulling back. Bitcoin goes up. Dollar pulling back. Bitcoin goes up. Bitcoin is looking really strong. Yeah. Where are my Bitcoin holders? Where are my Bitcoin holders? I need all the Bitcoin holders to show themselves. Drop a Bitcoin B in the chat if you hold Bitcoin. If you hold Bitcoin, you're smart. And you're going to be just fine. But if you don't, you better get some. Not financial advice. Guys, this is only the beginning. Like, we're getting ready to set up for... Listen, we're literally walking our rocket to the launch pad right now. We're literally walking the rocket to the launch pad, okay? So, here's the launch pad. We have a rocket. Okay, so we have our launch pad. We have a rocket. So, let's draw rocket. Got our little boosters. Okay, so we got our rocket. Here's our window so we can see out of the rocket. Here's our launch pad. And we're walking our rocket to the launch pad right now on GME. And once we get to this launch pad, we'll blast off into the sky. You guys like my tree with the white snowy mountains in the background? This is a tree. This is a tree. This is the sun. This is white snow-capped mountains, and this is your horizon. GameStop pushing up as expected, and AMC pushing up as expected. I told you guys we're gonna recover into close. I told you we're gonna recover into close. I forgot the C, but it doesn't matter. I'm typing fast. You guys know what I'm trying to say. Ant-Man with 20 gifted! Let's go! Let's go! Ant-Man drops a gifted, and the meme stocks start to push. Love to see it. Love to see it. All right, so GameStop is pushing up. SPY rejected is rejecting from the 694. SPY has to get above the 694 in order to continue higher. If it cannot break and hold this level, you're gonna start to pull back. Notice how when SPY starts to pull back, memes start to pick up a little bit. AMC starting to pick up a little bit here, starting to head back towards green. GameStop is green, starting to head back towards the upside. Guys, if you did not check out the play in the Discord, you need to check it out right now. Especially the one for GME. It's about the print. I have a new play in the Discord. Check it out right now. Hurry up before it's too late. Hurry before it's too late. Thank you, 20 gifted from Ant-Man. If you just got a gifted from Ant-Man, please thank him. Memberships are slightly down, but it's going to be okay. Don't worry. We have the family behind us. Plus, if we get five $5 super chats, I'll give away 5 gifted. If we get five $5 super chats or higher, I'll give away 5 gifted. We do have this goal in session right now. I think we have 2 hours and 47 minutes left. Trying to get 5 $5 super chats, and we'll get 5 gifted. AMC creeping higher. AMC creeping higher. AMC creeping higher. GameStop also pushing up. Bullish, baby. Bano in the building. Guys, we're doing horrible on likes today. We need more likes, guys. We need more likes. You guys are literally not ready for what's coming. You are literally not ready for what's coming. SPY meeting strong resistance here at the 694. AMC GameStop pushing up. AMC 335. GameStop 2982. Rocket Man member for 8 months. Rocket Man member for 8 solid months, holding it down. Rocket Man showing his support. Thank you, bro.
Rockets, 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 rockets.
Rocket Man showing his support. Ooh, we just got a super chat, $5 super chat here from Jake. We just got a $5 super chat from Jake here, asking SPY puts
590
potentially
SPY
on
put
Wednesday. I say Wednesday would be the best day, but I would go a little bit higher, maybe 595, maybe even 600. You'll make more money. You always want to do the strike price closest to the possible price if you're buying now. Now, if you want to wait till Wednesday, that's different because we could be lower by Wednesday. Wednesday should be the start of the downtrend as long as inflation hits right. But if inflation comes out lower than expected, the market will pump. So it's kind of playing that game. But the consensus and the forecast are saying that it should come out higher, and that should lead the market to downside. Not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. What I expect based off my analysis is rallying into, or a slight rally into Wednesday, to rally into Wednesday, and then after Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we start to pull back. Not financial advice. GameStop's really starting to move here, guys. GameStop's really starting to move. If you're not in Discord right now, you need to be in the Discord. I have a play that could still be printed. If you are not in the Discord, you need to buy the Discord right now. $100 for a lifetime invite. $100 for a lifetime invite. Literally pays for itself, ladies and gentlemen. Get in before it's too late. Price will be going up to $150. GameStop pushed to the upside as expected here. All right, so we have one $5 super chat. If we can get 4 more $5 super chats, 4 more $5 super chats or higher, we will do 5 gifted giveaway. I will do 5 gifted giveaway if we get 4 more super chats. $5 or higher. AMC currently at 335. GameStop 29.79. SPY 689. SPY must break 694 to be bullish. Must break and hold. Yeah, I got the G6. I got the G6. I got the G6. I think I paid all of my bills already. I should probably check that. I paid the rent. I paid electric, Wi-Fi, phone, car insurance, health insurance. What am I missing? There's something I'm missing. There's like, oh yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna need money. Okay, gotcha. So just move this from this account to this account. All right. Sorry guys, I got distracted. Grown-up problems. Ant-Man just gave out a bunch of gifteds. I don't know why, but a lot of people are not renewing their memberships. I'm sad. A lot of people lost their memberships. So I'm trying to get membership giveaways. I don't know why, but a lot of people lost their memberships. Oh, we just got a new subscriber. Thank you so much. We're at 16,248 subscribers. Thank you. I bet you are. I'm rich now. What up, Benjamin? Bro's been a member for like 20 months almost. How long you been a member, Benjamin? Okay, SPY's trying to go for that support and resistance level. He's trying to get above it. If it can hold this, you could see a nice move up, like a pop to the upside towards like 160-150. If we can hold that. If we can hold this 95, 695. You could see 60150. Meme jamming. All right, just a reminder, we need 4 more $5 super chats. And then I'll do a gifted giveaway, 5 gifted giveaway. Also, if you guys haven't, please hit that like button and subscribe. We're about to pass over 100 likes. We got 177 in the building, 177 in the building. 21 brand new members. Whoa. 21 brand new members already. It's kind of crazy. We need a special badge just for Benjamin. The 2-year mark is insane. That's 2 years of solid support. Not missing a single month. For 2 years. I love seeing Bitcoin push up, man. Bitcoin 108.5. Up 2.5% on the day. Ethereum up 3% on the day, baby. Crypto's looking good. Yeah, all coins are pumping. It seems like meme coins are dying. Yeah, it seems like meme coins are dying, dude. Because even pump.fun, nobody's even talking about pump.fun no more. No one's even talking about pump.fun no more. The meme coins are definitely dying. Meme coins are definitely dying. I tried to tell everybody this wasn't going to last. And I'm telling you, meme coins are going to die first, and then some of the altcoins are going to die. Meme coins are not going to last. Meme coins are going to die, and then some altcoins are going to die. Not all of them. But I'm telling you guys, by 2030, there's only going to be like 50 cryptos. Okay, GameStop pushing up, GameStop pushing up, GameStop pushing up. I have a play in the Discord. If you're not in it, bro, get in it. I'm trying to tell you guys, GameStop, bro. I got everything, I got everything. I got clothes, I got hoes, I got a big ass Jeep and a lot of money. I got everything, I got everything. I cannot complain, I cannot. I really don't even know how much I really got. It's a lot. 14, you got another one. Cause I'm on fire with this shit. All right, SPY's pushing towards my price target. SPY's pushing towards my price target, 601.50. Like and subscribe for the best technicals. Personally, I cannot wait till tomorrow. Oh, GME. Oh, GME. It's pushing higher and higher. Oh, GME. Oh my God. All you guys begging for Roaring Kitty to post need to just stop, bro. Oh my God, bro. Get off Kitty's nuts. And you want to know how I know GME is going to pump tomorrow? Because everybody is bearish. Everybody is bearish, bro. And that's how I know GME is going to pump tomorrow. Because everybody thinks earnings are going to crash GME. But everybody who thinks that is wrong. They don't know how to follow the smart money, and that's why they're wrong. They don't know how to follow the smart money. They don't know how to follow the smart money. Bro, smart money wouldn't pay for bullish articles, okay? We have bullish articles coming out. We have bullish technicals. We have all of the hedge funds buying GME before earnings. Okay? If you don't understand what's coming, then you're simply stupid. You're just simply stupid, okay? If you don't understand what's coming. It's a profitable company holding Bitcoin, and it has cash. If you don't understand what GME is, you're dumb. And GME is going to beat earnings. It's going to be profitable. It's going to tell us that it's holding Bitcoin, a shit ton of cash. GME is going to fly. I see so many people in the Weeble chat right now that are like, oh my God, Warren Kitty, we need you. Earnings is going to dump. Bro, shut up. All right, guys, we still have 2 hours left. We still have 2.5 hours left to possibly get a gifted giveaway if we get 4 more super chats or higher. We need 4 more $5 super chats or higher. We've already had Ant-Man, Jake, Rocketman, Anubis, and Danny Lamb contribute. See if we can't get these 4 more $5 super chats. Okay, SPY is meeting major resistance at the 694. If it can hold this level, which it's doing right now, you could see a pop up towards 601.50. But you have to hold that 694. If you lose that, SPY is going to start pushing down hard. If we lose this level here, this level is everything right now in SPY. Type a SPY in the chat if you're watching for SPY. Type SPY in the chat if you're watching for SPY. Yes, it will, brother. 4th profitable quarter in a row. That shows long-term growth. And guess what? Next quarter is going to be a banger too. 1, 2, 3. If we beat earnings again, that is indeed our 4th quarter in a row that we beat earnings. And that is showing long-term growth. And guess what? Switch 2 sales are already going crazy. So next earnings is going to be fire as well. Next earnings is going to be fire as well. It's a clear sign that earnings after earnings are about to be beat. GameStop has fundamentally changed forever. I think SPY's going to head towards 601.50. GameStop heading towards my price target. You guys better get into play before it's too late. GameStop heading towards my price target. Bro, if you would have bought 29.50 calls, you're already in the money. If you bought 29.50. AMC 334, GameStop 29.88, SPY 601.02. Never give in, never give up. Money over everything until we get enough. DZ merch store, baby. Oh, did you guys see Los Angeles is like literally on fire? But I mean, what else is new? DZ merch store, baby. Did you guys see the riots in LA? Los Angeles is literally on fire, but what else is new? Hi, all of this is nice. That's not on members only. What do you mean this not on members only? Yo, fam, what's up? Yo, check it out. LA is on fire, ladies and gentlemen, after recent ice raids. I'm going to break it down right now. Check it. Make sure you like and subscribe for more breaking news, by the way. So, LA is on fire following riots over ice raids and immigration policies. The National Guard has been deployed. This is what we know now. Buildings are being looted. They are trying to say these are mostly peaceful protests, but this is obviously not the case. These are not peaceful protesters. We have some people hitting protesters with cars, protesters trying to block streets, setting things on fire, unlawful assembly. Also, there are troops on the ground. National Guard is deployed, about 300 National Guard troops. And another 500 Marines is ready to be deployed. Things are getting crazy in LA. Again, this is almost like it's planned, ladies and gentlemen. These blue states are on fire. This is happening also in LA, Portland, and many other blue states. Now, I don't care whether you're red or blue, but you have to connect the dots when they connect. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, as this is completely idiotic and crazy in my personal opinion. Like and subscribe for more stock and crypto-based news and breaking news. Yeah, why would you come to a country and then you want everyone to want you to stay in the country, but then you cause chaos? That's not a way to make people like you. Well, you would never see anything happen like that in Florida because you'll get arrested. You can't do that. If you did what you did in LA, here in Florida, you would get arrested. You can't do that here. You're not going to be acting like that here. That's why Tampa's clean. If you go to downtown Tampa, it's one of the only cities that are clean. Not the only cities, but it's a city that's clean. If you go to Philly, if you go to Los Angeles, if you go to these blue states, the cities are disgusting. New York, there's trash everywhere. You go to downtown Tampa, there's not trash on the floor. It's beautiful. People respect where they live here. You can't do that shit here. You also don't have a bunch of radicals living here, by the way. Like, I watched a video from LA, and it was just a bunch of guys that literally, when I watched the video from LA, it was literally a bunch of guys that were dressed up like girls, and they were guys, but they wanted to be called girls. And bro, I think their hormones are messing up their mind, dude, because all I saw was a bunch of guys that thought they were girls and a bunch of girls that thought they were guys, and they were all running around throwing bricks and catching things on fire. So I think it has something to do with those hormones that they be giving those people. Because I swear, like, 80% of the protesters were all like that. I'm just observing. I'm not throwing shade. Hey, check it out. Apple has a live event coming up, and you might want to know about it. So the Apple WWDC 2020 event is about to start. They're going to talk about iOS 26 and much more. They plan to dispel some rumors and then also set some things straight. This is going to be happening here on June 9th. Get ready. This could either pump or dump Apple depending on what is talked about and what products are released and or unveiled. So anybody holding Apple stock, trading Apple stock, or investing in Apple stock should know about this. And this could also affect SPY because Apple is heavily weighted in SPY and NASDAQ. So this could affect the general market as well. Like and subscribe for more stock and crypto-based news. As well as breaking news and predictions. Peace. Yeah, you're not going to be looting in Florida. I'm in LA and it's all fake. I don't know, man. I've seen some of the footage, bro. It doesn't look pretty fake to me. I mean, I'm sure the news is hyping some of it up, bro, but when you have pictures like this, it doesn't seem very fake, bro. I mean, how could you make this picture up unless you got all of these people here to... This doesn't seem very fake, bro. Now, I'm sure the media is hyping... I'm sure the media is hyping it up. Yes. But when you see footage like this, bro, and I can't really show this because I'll get banned. I can't show this on YouTube. YouTube will... So I can't really show you guys anything. YouTube will ban me, but it doesn't seem all fake. Our cities are on fire, but the stock market's climbing towards all-time highs. How stupid is this market? I'm literally just reporting what I'm seeing, bro, and giving you guys my opinions. I never claimed to be a journalist. Not once. Never claimed to be a journalist, and I'm literally just giving you my opinion. I'm just some guy on the internet. Believe what you want. I just happen to be right about everything. Yeah, I know it's not fake, Johnny. It's real. And it's orchestrated and it's organized. Bitcoin pushing even higher. Bitcoin pushing even higher. Shout out Bitcoin holders. This is great for GameStop heading into earnings. Bitcoin pushing even higher, ladies and gentlemen. AMC 335, GameStop 29.93, GameStop heading towards $30. 21 brand new members. 115 likes, 150 people in the building. How long till AMC over $4? Well, if you were in the Discord, you would know that answer. Or if you watched yesterday's video. No way. Todd with a 5 gifted. Todd with a 5 gifted membership right now. Thank you, Todd, so much, bro. Thank you, Todd, so much. Todd with a 5 gifted. Let's go. Thanks to Todd's contribution and member for 20 freaking months. Not only did he just do 5 gifted, if you got a gifted from him, please thank him. But he's also been a member for over 20 months, ladies and gentlemen. Todd flexing on him real quick. Todd flexing on him real quick.
Hey DZ and fam.
That's going to put us at 26 brand new members for today. Thank you so much, bro. I appreciate that. You the man, dog. You the man. All right, SPY is slowly losing momentum. RSI trending down. Price trending up. MACD going red. Oh my God. Thank you so much. We just made it to 16,250 subscribers. Thank you guys so much, man. We are now a quarter of a way towards 17,000. Thank you so freaking much, bro. Family, we're making it. We just passed 16,000 not too long ago, and now we're only a quarter of a way towards 17,000. 1/4 of the way there, baby. We're going to hit 17K before you know it. Thank you guys so much. I told you guys SPY would be pushing up. SPY's going to head towards 60150, then pull back. Not financial advice. Make sure you guys share the live stream. That way more people can find me. Yo, Tim just wild out. Tim just wild out, bro. Yo. Absolute legend. Tim straight jumping to legendary status automatically. Tim joining level 3, which is DZ Family Legends, Only a few of the most elite people are in the level 3 rank. Tim, welcome to DZ Fam Legends, joining the ranks of the legendary. Yes, I stream in the I stream every day. But I have members only content. I have members only posts. Chris P has been a DZ Fam legend for 6 months, ladies and gentlemen. DZ Fam legend for 6 months. Level 3, 6 months is insane. Absolute insanity. DZ Fam legends Tim and Chris P in the building. Yeah, so access, the stream is access to anybody, but sometimes I put it on members only mode. Also, there's members only posts. I put out exclusive content for members only. Sometimes members can see the videos before other people do. So I'll release a video. Members can see it early. So there are benefits to being a member here on the channel. Plus, it helps support the community and the channel a lot. So I greatly appreciate anybody joining up. And that's going to put us at 27 brand new members for today. 27 brand new members for today. If we get $5 super chats or higher, or I'm sorry, 4, because we already got 1, I'll be also doing a 5 gifted giveaway myself, but we only have 2 more hours left for that. So if we don't get the 4 more super chats in the next 2 hours, the gifted giveaway might not happen. Okay, GameStop pulling back a little bit here, but this is to be expected. RSI got overbought. GameStop did push up as expected. I told you guys that's what we would see. We clearly pushed up to my target here. So we're going to go ahead and erase that, because we clearly pushed up to my target. Now we're getting some pullback. This is to be expected. RSI overbought. SPY holding that 694. So SPY should be able to head towards like 601.25. 601.50. AMC 333, GameStop 29.83. Thank you guys. You guys have been insane today. You guys went crazy on the likes. We have 125 likes, 185 people in the building, over 1,000 views, 27 brand new members, and 16,250 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. If you guys want to support for free, hit that like button and subscribe. Hit that like button and subscribe. Support the channel for absolutely free. So that Apple tweet is going crazy. You guys are going crazy, yo. This Apple tweet already has like 500 views. You guys are boosting it. This Apple tweet for some reason is going crazy. If you guys could share this tweet, I'd appreciate it. Here's the link. If you guys want to give it a like and a copy, a retweet, I'd appreciate it. Type SPY in the chat if you're watching my channel because of SPY predictions. Type GME in the chat if you're watching my channel because GME predictions. Type AMC in the chat if you're typing because of AMC predictions. Type crypto in the chat if you watch because of crypto predictions. Type all in the chat if you watch for all predictions. AMC and GME are like Mount Vesuvius. Bitcoin is pushing higher and higher and higher. We're at 108.5. Up 2.68% on the day. Ethereum's up 3.5%. Yes, let me know what you watch for. I need to know the reason you chose Datazero. Uh-oh! Crispy with the 10 gifted! Let's go! Tim, unfortunately, I wish you were here sooner, brother. I literally just put a play in the Discord, man. If you were part of this community sooner, you probably would be a part of the Discord. I have a great play in Discord right now for both AMC and GME. Yo, thank you, Chris P, for the 10 gifted. Insanity. If you just got a free membership from Chris P, please thank him. That's going to put us at 37. I repeat, 37 brand new members, and we almost have 200 people in the building right now. So we almost have 200 people in the building on top of 37 brand new members. This is insane. DZ fam, we are the best vibe. We're the most pop and the most lit community. Turn up in this bitch. Yeah. If you guys want to get in the Discord, it's $100 for a lifetime invite. I put out exclusive plays, exclusive technicals. Do not take it from me. Do not take it from me. You can ask anybody. If it's worth buying. If you want to get in the Discord, all you have to do is click my live streams. Do not take it from me. Then you go down to more, and you'll see to join my Discord, you'll see this right here. And my email's right here. And the email will also say if you want anything, hit up my email. Once you hit my email up, I'll send you information about the Discord, payments made via PayPal or Cash App. Once you make payment, I send you the link. SPY showing signs of weakness. SPY showing signs of weakness. If SPY loses 694, it's going to pull back. Guys, SPY's about to dump. SPY's about to dump. Take profit on calls. SPY's about to dump. SPY's about to pull back. Take profit on calls. Take profit on calls. Not financial advice. SPY must get back above 694. It's going to dump. Yeah, SQQQ starting to pick up a little bit. As SPY pulls back because NASDAQ's starting to fall a little bit. SPY definitely showing signs of weakness. RSI trending down, MACD trending down. This thing's gonna pull back. I just burnt the shit out of myself. SPY's at 658. GameStop 29.80. AMC 333. Okay, we got some inquiries about the Discord. I'm going to send that information out. Got some inquiries about the Discord. Oh, the only thing I don't have is Venmo, bro. It's only PayPal and Cash App. That's going to be the only thing, unless you have crypto. But if you are interested, I will send you the information regardless. Yeah, I just don't have Venmo. Unfortunately. And I can only accept it to the ways that I have. I can't add a new one. I would love to, but I can't. Taxes, it would cause a whole mess for me. If I added another thing, it's gonna be even harder for me to get all my tax information. But yeah, if you guys do want to join the Discord, payment is made via PayPal or Cash App. And I will accept crypto as well. Like Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, shit like that. But other than that, I can't take any other payment method. SPY looks like it's going to come up and reject. That's why I drew it popping back up to like 694 up to here and then like kind of pulling back from that range. And AMC's at 390 or 334 and then GameStop's pushing back up. GameStop is looking really, really good. If we can get back above 30 today, that would be crazy. I don't know if we could do it today, but it's a possibility. Yeah, if you guys got gifted, thank Chris P, Todd, and Ant-Man. They all gave gifteds. Chris P is like Actually, we got the whales coming out because if you notice, Ant-Man, Todd, and Chris P, which are all whales. And I think they might all be level 3. Chris P is level 3. Okay, Todd's level 1, but still 20 months is insane. 20 months is insane. 8 months from Rocket Man. I think Ant-Man's level 3. Spy, or Danny Lamb, thank you, and Anubis Gaming. Anubis has been dropping like a membership every single day for like probably like 2 months or longer. Like literally every single day Anubis drops a gifted membership, bro. That's a lot of money, dog. Thank you. You guys are insane. You guys are insane. It's kind of insane. It's a lot of gifteds, man. Thank you guys. It's going towards a good cause, don't worry. And now Chris just dropped another 5 gifted out of nowhere. What's happening? We got another 5 gifted being dropped. This is putting us at an insane 42. I repeat, 42 brand new members. Jake, Joe, Tamara, Elise, and Matthew 04 all just got gifted for free for a month from Chris. So you will have member perks for a month for free. Chris P given to the community right now. I don't just say Chris because we have like 100 people named Chris. So I call everyone either Chris P or Chris D or Chris whatever. Oh God, now you guys are going stupid again. This is when shit gets crazy. Oh man, thank you guys. I gotta learn how to accept gifts better because I still get a little, when you guys really start going hard like this, I get a little apprehensive. Oh my God, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Family's going nuts. This is the hype train. This is what we want. Fuck it. This is what we want. This is what we want. Stop feeling bad. Stop feeling bad. Chris D just got gifted. I'm gonna send him an Instagram, let him know. You got gifted, bro. Yo, thank you, guys. Shout out Chris, Todd, Chris, just dropping 5 after 5 after 5 after 5. So we have multiple 5 bombs being dropped right now by the whales. Whales doing whale things. Maybe one day I'll be able to drop multiple 5 gifteds for a gifted giveaway. And we won't even need to reach a super chat goal. Well, I do like goals as well, too, which are completely free. To be fair, I did a like goal yesterday. All we had to do was hit 75 likes and I gave away a membership.
Rockets.
I want to do a 50 gifted for the community. I want to give away 50 memberships. In order for me to do that, it would cost what? I think it's 160, 150. Bro be moving around. Holy cow. Now we just got another from Milton. Yo, thank you for the 10 piece. The hype train is in full effect. Yeah, 150. I'm going to do that one day. I'm going to do a 50 bomb for the community. I'm going to do a 50 gifted giveaway. Just like I did a Discord giveaway, I'm going to do a 50 gifted giveaway. Where 50 people win a membership. Yo, thank you, Milton Miranda. And that actually puts us towards, if we get 3 more $5 super chats or higher, I will do a 5 gifted giveaway. Oh, God. Chris is just dropping 5 after 5 after 5 after 5 after 5. Multiple 5 gifteds being launched at this moment. This is Hype Train Central. Look at this. Oh, my God. Hype Train. Bro, look at this. Would you look at this? Look at this. Multiple 5 gifteds being dropped from Chris P right now. We also have Todd dropping some gifteds. Ant-Man in the mix. Milton Miranda dropping a 10-piece. This is crazy. Spy looks bullish long term. Explain that to me, bro. If you can, I'm not even trying to come at your neck, Fred, at all. But if you can show me Spy's chart and show me and explain to me why it looks bullish on the macro, I'll listen to you, bro. But I'm gonna show you that the RSI is trending down, which means momentum is fading. Volume is trending down while price is trending up. Monthly MACD is red. RSI went overbought and is now left overbought. And once you get monthly MACD, you normally get sustained pullback after that. Also, SPY is making a lower high, and SPY is in a macro rising wedge. So if you can dispute all of those bearish things, then I might hear you out, bro. If you can show me a chart that has all bullish and show me how this could be bullish. And daily MACD's red. And the RSI is almost overbought, so there's nowhere to go. You can't just keep going up and up and up because the RSI will go into overbought territory that it won't be able to come back out of. So there's no room to run. I don't see it. Monroe with a data dollar. Adding to the hype train. Can we keep the hype train going? I don't know. But DZ fam, you guys are nuts. Monroe adding to the hype train with a super chat. And we are now at 57. I repeat, 57 brand new members. I swear when you guys drop members, more people come too because 208 people are now watching. So shout out to everybody who just showed up for the family, man. I appreciate you. GameStop is looking particularly good right now. AMC 335. AMC trying to creep to the upside. I told you guys we might see a recovery in the close here for AMC. AMC holding key levels. Probably going to push back towards 345, 350 here. Once GameStop starts to take off here, I believe GameStop's going to start moving. Not financial advice. Oh, God. Todd just dropped another 5 gifted. Todd just dropped another 5 gifted. Okay, what is happening? Another 5 gifted, ladies and gentlemen. Bro. You know when you become speechless and you just don't know what to say? I hate when you guys do that. 62 brand new members in this bitch. Oh, we're about to enter Power Hour. We are about to enter Power Hour, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys want to support for absolutely free, hit that like button and subscribe. Support the channel for absolutely free. Support it for free. support it for free. SPY is definitely losing momentum, guys. Now, we do have some bearish divergence forming, so SPY could trend up a little bit higher before correcting, but this bearish divergence is not good. SPY has to hold 694 to stay bullish. They are trying to pump the markets right now. They are trying to pump the markets. I believe SPY is going to have a blow off top. I talked about this in the weekly outlook and prediction. If you missed yesterday's video, make sure you check it out. That is the weekly outlook and prediction. I told you guys we're going to see some upside here on Monday and Tuesday. That's exactly what we're seeing. Upside, I called this perfectly. I said Monday, Tuesday, you're going to see upside. Maybe even slightly into Wednesday, but after Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we're going to see bearishness, not financial advice. This is what I am looking at. Called that perfectly. If you guys want to get these accurate predictions, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. And again, you have to check out every single video because they are time sensitive. So the videos, as soon as they come out, you need to check those out. And that is why it pays to be a member, because members can see the videos early in some cases. Again, this is the video I put out yesterday. You guys need to check it out if you missed this video. Highly important for what's going on for today. GME is primed, walking up to the rocket ship station, and we are about to see magic. Everything is on point. And I'm right like 80 to 90% of the time realistically. So the odds of me being wrong are just slim. And that's just the truth. Anybody who's following me will tell you that I'm right 80 to 90% of the time easily. If not more than that. It could be the high 90s. Like if we actually had a statistic tracker for every prediction that I made and everything that came to fruition, I'm probably right like 95% of the time. And that's not even like a flex or a cap or anything. That's just legit what it is right now at this point. So the odds of me being wrong are slim. It just that's what it is. The odds of me being wrong are slim. So the odds are in my favor. May the odds forever be in my favor. And I think they will be. AMC has been tracking with my prediction for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days now. 6 days AMC has been tracking. I make predictions that track for multiple days at a time. Okay, we just got Discord payment. We just got Discord payment. We just got Discord payment. We have a new Discord member coming in. All right, we're officially in Power Hour. So I'm going to play my Power Hour commercial. Look how the breakout point is on after hours. Look how the breakout point for this bullish setup is in after hours on tomorrow. We have this bullish setup here on GME. And look how the breakout point leads us to after hours tomorrow. It's crazy. The breakout point is after hours tomorrow, guys. I'm sending out your Discord link. The Discord links are time sensitive. So please click it right away. Yeah, I put GME earnings tomorrow in the title. And that's literally where the breakout point is. See, SPY's losing momentum. See how it's tracking with my prediction? SPY's losing momentum. See how it's tracking with my prediction here? It's going to roll over. It's going to roll over in the close. GameStop pushing higher. GameStop pushing higher. GameStop's an absolute beast. Bro, you guys need to stop talking about Roaring Kitty. We don't need Roaring Kitty, bro. I don't know why they have you so indoctrinated to believe that you guys need Roaring Kitty, bro. Oh, my God. Get off Roaring Kitty's nuts. Let that man live, bro. We do not need Roaring Kitty. Yes, it's a wild card factor. Yes, his tweets can help us, but we don't need Roaring Kitty. We actually have a fundamental business that's profitable now. We don't need meme hype. We actually have 4,000 Bitcoin. We actually have a company that's beating earnings after earnings after earnings, and it's profitable. We're sitting on $4 billion in cash. We have 4,000 Bitcoin. We don't need meme hype anymore. We're actually a legit company. The business has shifted into collectibles. Okay, I just sent you your Discord link. You know who you are. You made your payment. I don't want to put your business out there. Once you get in, all you have to do is post a picture of the payment that you sent me in the create a ticket section. I sent you a video describing exactly how to do that, and I sent you verbal or text explaining exactly how to do that as well. I also, in the video, I'm pretty sure I show you how to navigate the Discord and put on notifications. That way you can get notifications directly to your phone when I post a trade. Only I can post in the DataZero signals room. So if you put notifications on for that. Okay, GME's moving. GME's moving. GME's moving. The play's about to play out in the Discord, guys. I told you it's going to be one of my biggest printers. The play I put in the Discord is going to be one of my biggest printers. Guys, please post your gain from this play. Post your Ant-Man with another 10 gifted. Shit, this is getting crazy. This is getting crazy. Ant-Man with another 10 gifted. GameStop is moving. The play I put in the Discord is about to print so hard. I know it. Anyone who got in, congratulations. It might be too late if GameStop keeps going. It might be too late. But anybody who got in, congratulations, man. AMC also pushing up as well as expected. I told you guys AMC is going to push up in the close. AMC pushing up as well. Notice how when SPY pulls back. The memes go higher. I repeat. Notice when SPY pulls back, the memes go higher. SPY also following my prediction. This is why you want to follow me, ladies and gentlemen. I'm right 90% of the time, ladies and gentlemen. Follow me, not financial advice. I know the way, baby. I know the way. Ant-Man with another 10 gifted. Ant-Man with another 10 gifted. We're printing right now. We are printing in the Discord. We are eating right now. If you want this money, Join the winning team or get left behind, ladies and gentlemen. SPY following my prediction. Bitcoin following my prediction. GameStop following my prediction. And I repeat, notice how SPY begins to fall. Memes begin to rise. AMC moving up as well. AMC 337. AMC moving up in the close as expected. I told you guys 338 here on AMC. 338. GameStop 3020. GameStop 3020. We are blasting off, ladies and gentlemen. We are blasting off. Let's go. I told you. I told you. I told him, man. I've been screaming at the top of my lungs, guys. Telling you all this is coming. I put out the perfect play for you guys in the Discord to take advantage of this move. And I know it's about to be a banger. I feel it in my bones. I feel it in my bones that the play that I put out is about to be such a hitter. Once you guys make your money, please post your gains. Please post your gains in the Flex Your Gains DataZero Hall of Fame, please. So I can show everybody how much the DataZero family is winning. Now, GameStop might pull back from here, guys, because we're breaking out early. We're breaking out early. Might have to pull back here, retest this. But we are looking beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. This is exactly what we want to see. This is exactly what we want to see heading into earnings. If we break out of this early, this is going to be even more explosive than even I thought. So if we hold 30 in the earnings, this is going to be even more explosive than I could have thought of, which means we're going to move much higher. Notice how AMC is also pushing up as well, like I said it would. And notice how SPY is tumbling to the downside, slowly slipping here, rejecting from the 694 support and resistance as I predicted. Ladies and gentlemen, like and subscribe for the best. And I repeat, the best technical analysis. I'm right 90% of the time, if not more. And that's why the odds are literally in my favor. And that's why anybody who's rolling with me, the odds are in your favor. So as long as you're DZ fam, the odds will forever be in your favor. Now, do you want to roll? We even had people doubting me in the Discord, talking about that Nick guy again, bro. Talking about that Nick guy again. He was wrong again. I told you guys, I'm the one, man. I'm the one. I am Neo. And the stock market is the Matrix. Also, Bitcoin pushing up. New intraday high for BTC. Let's go. Bitcoin sitting at 108.6. Up 2.74%. Ethereum up 3.30%. Let's go. Let's go. XRP 229. Hey, 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 hey. Thank you, Ant-Man, for the double 10 gifted, bro. Thank you, Ant-Man, for the double 10 gifted. Yes, GameStop's about to be earnings. It's going to be earnings for the 4th quarter in a row. That's showing long-term improvement. Shorts can't even argue with that. Shorts can't even argue with a company that beat earnings four times in a row. There's no reason to short it. It's a buy. You're shorting a stock that's literally a buy at this point. It has $4 billion in cash. It has 4,000 Bitcoin. And the company is making money itself. This is a cash machine. And if it beats earnings again, which it's about to, that is the 4th beat in a row. The short thesis is quite literally destroyed. Okay? And there is still... Oh, and GameStop is also reducing its debt. It's working on reducing its debt load. 12.12% short interest. All of that gets squeezed. 8.57 days to cover. That's 8.57 days of squeezing. 48% off exchange short volume. All of those shares need covered. And all of these shares need covered. That's like 50. Bro, if you add this to this, bro, 50, 60 easy at minimum. Even now, this is a little bit speculative, the short volume. That's why I'm taking away numbers. But we know for a fact that 12.12% of the short, and short interest is self-reported, bro. We know for a fact that 12.12% of this float is shorted for sure. And we're seeing high numbers up to 48% off exchange short volume, which could be a whole nother set of 48% short interest. Now, this is more speculative, but we know for a fact that 12.12% of the float is shorted. You're literally shorting a stock that is not meant to be shorted. Spy tracking with my prediction perfectly, by the way.
JK, really?
Do not forget the push-ups. Thank you, brother. And thank you for the 2-piece, man. I appreciate you, dude. Push-ups are key. Building discipline, strength, everything you need. Spy tracking perfectly with my prediction, ladies and gentlemen. I am a market maker. Uh-oh, I like that idea, bro. I like that idea. I like where you're going with this, bro. Dropped another 2-piece.
Don't forget your push-ups, y'all.
Homie got multiple data dollars dropping right now. Family, I love days like this, bro. We up, baby. Nobody's going to stop us.
DZ Dollar Mondays, throw $1 in the hat.
With me reading the charts and the DZ fan behind me, nothing can stop us. Nothing. AMC 337. AMC pushing up for 338 right now. Moving up in the close as expected. GameStop 30.23, up 2.20%. Possibly breaking out of a bullish structure here, heading into earnings. This is extremely, extremely bullish. This is going to get crazy. This is going to get crazy. This is going to get crazy, y'all. Monday Blaze. Mondays. That puts us at a 3 out of 5 super chats. If we get 2 more $5 super chats, I'll do the gifted giveaway. Let me see how much time we have left, though. I want to see how the computer says this.
DZ Mondays, baby. Rockets, 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 rockets.
We have 1 hour left. 1 hour left. And that's going to be 3 out of the 5 super chats. So if we get 2 more $5 super chats or higher, I'm going to do a 5 gifted giveaway. But you guys already went crazy. And we now are sitting at 82. 82 brand new members, 231 people in the building. 164 likes. Hit that like button and subscribe. Help support for free. Let's go. Yes, Switch 2 up, Pokemon cards up, Bitcoin up, GME is king. Okay. Yo, guys, check out the day trade chat in the Discord, bro. I just spit fire in the Discord.
Here one.
It's over, dog. It's literally over for the shorts. It's literally over for the shorts, y'all. Go check out the day trade chat in the Discord. Bro, thank you. We're going to do the 5 gifted giveaway.
Here the last one.
So if you're not a member, guess what your time it is? Time for you to spam it up. If you are not a member, time for you to spam it up. Because 5 lucky people are about to win a free membership. Yo, thank you, Chris P, for dropping the double 5s. Hype in the chat, y'all. Hype in the chat. Hype in the chat. Hype in the chat. Hype in the chat, guys. 234 people in the building. And you guys are going insane. Started off as a hype train, bro. Started off as a goal, turned into a hype train. Yeah, check out the day trade chat in the Discord, bro. I just spit straight fire, for real. Shorts are literally cooked, bro. Dude, we're going crazy. 230 people in the building. Super chats are flowing. Super chats are flowing. 1,300 views. 82 brand new members. 82 brand new members. GME is pushing up right now, up 2.5% almost, 2.48%. GME pushing up. I have a play in the Discord. It's printing right now. We are getting this money, baby. We are getting this money. We are getting this money. Now, it's not too late for the AMC play, but the GME play, it might be too late. It's already printing. It's already printing. The AMC play might be too late, but the GME play is already printing. The play from the Discord. Also, Bitcoin is pumping. This is going to be great heading into earnings for GameStop. Bitcoin pushing up. heading into earnings. SPY tracking 100% perfectly with my prediction. I told you guys take profit on calls. Like and subscribe for literally the best technical analysis you will find on this platform. I told you guys I'm right 95% of the time, and I make hundreds of predictions a day. Get with us or get left behind. DZ fam is the only ones. Bitcoin is moving. Bitcoin or GameStop is moving. New intraday high 30.43. GameStop pumping in the close. We are here, baby. Oh, gifted giveaway. Listen, if you're not a member, spam it up. I'm giving away 5 memberships. I'm giving away 5 memberships right now. Spam it up, spam it up, spam it up, spam it up. Yesterday, Kai Supreme won because he posted. Bro, it says 278 people are watching. Because he posts. $279. If you're not a member, spam it up. 5 lucky people are going to win a membership. I'm giving away 5 memberships to 5 lucky people. Gifted giveaway launch. Gifted giveaway launch. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gifted giveaway launch. Gifted giveaway launch. Gifted giveaway launch. Let's see who wins. All-time high has just received. And he was spamming. See? All-time high has received one. FaZe Renegade, Brimstonk, Andre Williams, and Jonathan Shelton all just received a free membership for a month from me, giving back to this community, obviously for giving so much to me. You guys also reached a super chat goal today, so thank you so much for that. Do not worry if you did not win. There's going to be more chances to win. So don't worry, there's going to be more chances to win. As I literally just did a gifted giveaway yesterday, and we did 5 gifted today. So make sure you guys like and subscribe and tune in so you can get your chance to win a free membership. We also have the community who gives away memberships as well, as we had 87, I repeat, 87 brand new people added to memberships today. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe as GameStop pushes higher and higher and higher, heading towards 30.50. So my play is printing. My play is printing from the Discord. If you guys want to get in the Discord, you have to hit me up on my email, DataZeroOfficial5. DataZeroOfficial5. Hit me up on my email. I'm going to do something to piss you off even more. There you go. I changed it. Notice how SPY is tracking perfectly right now. Notice how SPY is tracking perfectly. Notice how when SPY pulls back, memes pump up. No, RSI is overbought. This is natural. We need to actually kind of pull back. I'm sure they're dumping short shares, but it's not going to be a problem. They don't have enough short shares in the world, bro. There's not enough short shares in the world. And yeah, they did. 12 minutes ago, they did dump. It doesn't matter. Guys, everything's going according to plan. SPY's going to continue to down in the close. SPY's probably heading towards 600. Okay, so SPY has support at 606. GameStop is pushing higher, bruh. This might be the top. This might be the top. This might have been the blow off top because this was a bullish breakout and this is as high as we went. So right here's your bull. You have a bull flag. And if this is all we got from that, that's not, that's nothing. And the hourly MACD is already going red. SPY has been, see the thing is, SPY should have been rolled over, but they're artificially pumping it. It shouldn't even have made it this high. So, alright, I called this bull flag in yesterday's video and said we're going to have one more pop to the upside. But this could be it, bro. Unless SPY gets above 694, this is it. Major, major resistance at 694. That's why I marked this one red. It's very, very likely that this could be the top. But if it can break above and hold 694, then we're talking a different story. But it's already rejecting from it after several retests here. But we have to see how it plays out over the next day or so until inflation comes. The best bet would be to wait for inflation, because this is what you need to focus on as a trader on SPY is inflation. That will be determining everything. $257 people in the building, 186 likes. 1,500 views. 87 brand new members, y'all. Crazy. Hey. 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 See how I just took a little bit of a break? I didn't even take a break. I just stepped back a little bit, and you see how, what the hell is that thing? That green thing. I just stepped back a little bit, and now my head is clear. My mind is clear. And now I don't feel burnt out, and I can think, and I can predict properly. What is that green thing, bro? What is happening? Oh, Chris, thank you, brother. Chris has been holding it down. Wait, what's it say? Member for 1 month? I was going to say 14 months. Yeah, I was going to say Chris has been holding it down for quite some time. Thank you for the 14 solid months of membership, brother.
100 points fire key money bag.
Gotta be 25 more. We're 50 push-ups deep for today. 50 push-ups deep.
Will you look at plug? Looking for an exit on my $1 calls 100 points fire key.
Once that RSI goes back to under, bro, once RSI goes back underneath 70 is when you should sell. If you see RSI start to come back down, bro, that's when you should sell. You're almost at the top. You're rounding out a little bit. You could push a little bit higher, bro. What you need to do is watch the RSI. And once you see RSI start to go back down, take profits immediately. Because RSI fading means momentum's fading, and MACD's already going red. You're already flattening out, and you have major resistance here at this level of 126. So you're pretty much, this is pretty much a good spot, I would say, not financial advice, to take profits. You're already up 29%, bro. I would take profits. I wouldn't even be questioning this. This isn't even a question. I would take profits, walk away, and then once it pulls back or whatever it does, you can come back in later. If you're up on dollar calls too, you're up over 30%. So that's got to be at least like 50 to 90% on a call option, bro. So you have to be up on that. I would definitely take profits. Not financial advice, of course. If the stock is up 30% and you have $1 calls, you have to be up at least 50% minimum on a call option. Yeah, there's not even no point to wait then, bro. Take profits. Because by the time RSI comes down, that means the price will go lower. It's not like price is just going to go higher while the momentum's fading. RSI is one of your best indication tools. RSI MACD, this is also why I'm going down to a video every other day, because I need to finish this class, because you guys need to learn all the stuff I'm about to teach you in this class. Wait till you guys learn all of the stuff I'm about to teach you in this damn class. I'm breaking it down step by step on how I look at the charts, how I read things, and my unique insight. So that's why I have to go down to a video every other day starting this week. Tesla might be either pumping or dumping due to oversold territory or something going on with... That's only a 5% move. That's nothing. It's getting some recovery after being oversold. Yeah, it's getting some recovery after being oversold. That's to be expected. SPY pulling back in the close. SPY pulling back in the close. I told you guys SPY would pull back in the close, and that's exactly what we're seeing. Are there any SPY traders in the chat? Any SPY traders in the chat? If there's not many SPY traders, I won't do SPY predictions. Is anybody here for SPY today? Is anyone here for SPY today? Because I absolutely crushed SPY. I also crushed GameStop and AMC. Shout out Chris and shout out Chris for the 5-piece. Thank you, Chris, for the 5-piece and the 14 months. I absolutely demolished SPY today. SPY's just like every other stock. It's manipulated, but it can be predicted with accuracy. See, Bitcoin's on the balance sheet now. Bitcoin's on the balance sheet. It's over. Bro, we beat. What do you guys be trying to do everything you can to put down the company when it's and misspeak. Microsoft passed on Bitcoin while GameStop jumped in. Who's laughing now? The company beat yes, this is it. The company beat analyst estimates for earnings per share in the fourth quarter. Has beaten analysts in the last 5 of the last 10 quarters overall. We have beaten analyst estimates, and that's what I'm saying by beat, and we should have another beat here, showing long-term growth. A profit of 4 cents. Okay, and analysts are even expecting GameStop to report a profit of 4 cents per share, an improvement on a loss of 12 cents per share. Literally profitable, guys, and literally increasing shareholder value. What Adam Aaron should be doing. They want you to feel scared to invest, bro. That's what these articles are for. These are paid for, especially Benghazi. Or Benzinga, I mean. I said Benghazi. What the... Benzinga is paid for, bro. All these articles are bought and paid for. So that's why if you see bullish articles, it's extremely positive because somebody paid to put a bullish article out about GameStop. These people are not writing these articles just because they're researching random. The people that write these articles are not just writing the articles because they were just looking at stocks and saw GameStop and was like, oh, there's a story here. No, they write them because BlackRock hits them up or the short sellers hit them up and say, hey, I got $100,000. I need you to write this article. So that's why when you get these bullish articles, it's very, 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 very important. Analysts expect GameStop to report a profit of 4 cents per share. So that's literally saying that the analysts, which are bought and paid for as well, are expecting GameStop to beat earnings and add value to the company, which is literally what Adam Aaron should be doing. But I love how they lead with the company has missed analyst estimates in sales for the 6 straight quarters and 8 of the last 10 quarters overall. I love how they lead with that. I love how they lead with that. I think Bitcoin being on the balance sheet was huge. GameStop has also been in the spotlight with momentum due to the release of this Nintendo Switch 2 gaming console, which did absolute numbers, by the way. And this is going to go on not this earnings, but next earnings. So this is going to show growth for even next earnings. The company announced the purchase of 4.7. I want to know when they bought it, though, which came after the company announced plans to add cryptocurrency to the balance sheet. I want to know what they bought the Bitcoin at, though. I want to know what price they bought the Bitcoin for. I can't find that information. AI will tell me. The price of Bitcoin was at around 108 on Wednesday when the purchase was announced. But yeah, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it was that day, and that's the problem. AI just told me what I already know. It doesn't necessarily mean that it was bought at 108. Purchased roughly 5.12 or 512.6 million. The news came after GameStop disclosed it was planning to issue 1.3 billion in convertible bonds, and part of the proceeds earned earmarked for the purchasing of Bitcoin. The price of the Bitcoin was around. I know. I just want to know if Bitcoin could. So if we can wake up tomorrow and Bitcoin be at like 110, 109, oh my God. And Bitcoin is pushing higher. It just hit an intraday high of 108.8. And the fractal says we should come up here on Bitcoin to at least 110. I do have that marked on the fractal that we should be coming back up to like 110. We are tracking with this fractal. I believe this is the pop here, and then we're actually in this segment here, but this actually all could be to a higher high, leading to a pullback, but we are following this fractal here. It's a little bit off. I mean, this could be the push for like a higher high. This lines up a little bit better. Because this shows that double bottom here on the fractal. Then you come out, you break out up. You push straight up. Maybe we do get a higher high like 115. That would be crazy. We do have these sell orders here for BTC right now. And we have major resistance coming up here. We'd have to break above 109.5. If we break above 109.5, we can fly. So Bitcoin has to break above 109.5. If Bitcoin is rallying, bro, that's going to help GameStop so much. Oh, wow. We just got another subscriber. Thanks for the advice selling plug. Cash out. Why is it pulling back? Don't tell me I just called that one too. Yep, it's pulling back. Wow. I literally called the top possibly on plug. And the MACD is getting more and more red as we speak. And the RSI is down. So plug might start fading. When I say I'm right 90% of the time, I'm right 90% of the time, if not more. Hundreds of predictions a day. So that was a very good $5 investment, bro. Looks like I may have called the top on plug. It has to break above 126 to go higher. It has to break and hold that. But RSI is starting to fade. Momentum's fading here. Momentum is fading. I told you guys as soon as RSI goes back under 70, sell. And it's making a rounded top. Could easily just make a double top here and continue down. When it comes to these charts, I read them like the Matrix. I'm literally him, bro. I'm literally him. I don't even care anymore, bro. I don't even care, bro. Call me arrogant or cocky if you want. I don't care, bro. I'm him. Chris with the 5! Gifted! Let's go! What does that put us at? Oh my God, we're so close to 100 members. We're at 92 brand new members. 92 brand new members, y'all. GameStop pulling back is to be expected, guys. RSI got too overbought. And I'm expecting GameStop to actually come back down and retest this orange sloping support and resistance as support. And then that's when we rally. So expect pullback. But GameStop did hit my first price target already. Make sure you guys take profits on the targets. Make sure you guys take profits on the targets. If you do not take profits on my targets, I do not know what to tell you. I need more context. I don't know what you mean. Bull flag. It could be any stock. So GME is most likely going to retest the orange and then explode. SPY pulling back in the close, hitting my target of 609. I told you guys SPY would pull back to 609. That's exactly what happened. SPY 609 price target hit. SPY 600 price target hit. Bro, I'm on fucking fire, dude. I am on fire. I'm him, dog. I'm on fire. I'm on fire, y'all. I have the aura, bro. I'm literally predicting everything. Oh my God, dude. I can't be stopped. I can't be stopped. 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining. SPY dumping in the close as predicted. SPY dumping in the close as predicted, ladies and gentlemen. AMC 335. AMC 335. GameStop 30.33. Yo, SPY is dumping. SPY is dumping. SQQQ is about to go green on the day, cuz. SPY is dumping. 599.67. GameStop holding up. And AMC 336, 335. Bouncing back and forth right now. 30.31 GameStop. All right, that's it. Market is closed. 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 Okay, so here's where we're at. AMC closing at 335. GameStop closing at 30.33. SPY closing at 599.64. Bitcoin not even caring that SPY pulled back, closing, or not closing, but holding 108.6. 108.6, up 2 3/4 on the day, up 2.75 on the day. Ethereum's up 3.37 on the day. Altcoins are pumping. Congratulations, crypto holders. Ladies and gentlemen, this was the DZ live stream. Tune in around 8:30 for a possible video. I don't know if I'm going to start today or tomorrow on the every other day. I'll probably do a video today. Or maybe, I don't know, because tomorrow I might stream long because of GME earnings. So probably won't do a video tomorrow. So I might do a video today. Because we got to stream long tomorrow because GME earnings. Bro, GME is about to rock it. I'm trying to tell people. Well, if something does happen after hours, if you see big movement like 10, 20, 30%, that's shorts covering. But other than that, you know, expect volatility heading into earnings, guys. Expect volatility up and down. Up and down. So expect both. But GME is about to rock it. We could have to pull back and retest 30 one more time, but then I think we take off. Yo, someone just found unusual options activity. For that June 20th expiration date. There's that June 20th again. Something's happening June 20th. They 1.2 million. $1.2 million. I just posted it in the Discord. And cost of balls going up. Look, cost of balls going up. That's bullish. And they did that June 20th. They said 1.2 million for the $35 calls. I don't see it yet, but we might see it tomorrow. It just happened 2 minutes ago, so it might show up tomorrow. So even more, and let's check this expiration date, what they're expecting. See, this one looks a little bit more bearish, but the still calls are still heavily outweighed. But it's like people are taking profits. I don't see as much buying on here as June 20th, but I'm still not worried about that. I think they just don't want to let a gamma ramp happen this week. And then I think we rally from this week into next week, not financial advice.
JK, really? That's good enough.
All right, so I just posted in the in the GME chat in the Discord. All right, guys, so I'm gonna be getting off here, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for an insane stream. Oh shoot, we just got another subscriber. Oh, I can't. I got. There's. I need an extension. Please, oh God. Thank you, David. My back was itchy and I couldn't reach it, and I was like freaking out. Okay. So, yeah, I'll see you guys later, man. Thank you guys. We're short half an hour, but I'm not going to let the stream run for half hour. I'm going to get off and relax and chill. Yeah, no problem, Chris. I got you. See ya, fam. Dude, it says there's 170 people still watching. Tomorrow should be lit. Tomorrow should be lit. We should have at least like 250 minimum, especially if GME starts pumping. Oh my God, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Tomorrow should be lit, bro. Oh, thank you guys. Yo, you guys really, man, I love you, DZ fam. Before we go, I have to thank you. 207 likes. Bro, you guys showed out. The live stream is only 3.5 hours. We still got 200 likes, 93 new members, and super chats. You guys went crazy, man. Thank you. And we got new subscribers as well. We're at 16,252, so we're heading towards that 17K, baby. Let's go. See you all later, man. Tomorrow, I will be streaming GME earnings, so put the bell notification on. I will be streaming GME earnings, so put the bell notification on. That way you know when I go live. Look how I called SPY perfectly. I said it would come down, consolidate, push up, and then I seen it rejecting from here, and I said it would pull back, and it did. GameStop looking hella bullish. AMC is tracking. AMC will push up once GameStop pushes up. AMC's making higher lows. We need to get back above this orange line, though. I guess I can maybe make a quick video. I will do that. I will do that later, though. I'll do that later. I'll just make a quick video and post it. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop being so hard on myself. I'll just make like a shorter videos and shit like that. It is what it is. All right, see you guys later, man. As always, have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out, fam.
you